see what happens. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you don't know who I am, my name is Adriana. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your hair from this to this. And so I've been natural for 7 years at this point, and my hair is just like at a plateau. I've shaved it off several times. It's just, I've got 4C hair, which is known for being dry and extra coarse, but my hair on average is very soft, a little too soft for my liking, and it's fine. So it's just really hard for me to handle it. Sometimes I feel like I just can't take it anymore. So I've been looking for treatments and products that work best with my hair type, and the hot oil treatment that I'm going to be showing you is one of the ones that I have found does work for me. This hot oil treatment is for one of my new natural hair issues. I feel like I have one every single year. This time it's having a really dry and flaky scalp. If you were to make plans with my hair, she would flake. It's not just a summer thing, it's not just a winter thing, it seems to be year-round. This hot oil treatment is one of the ones that does help me. I do it regularly every time I wash my hair. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, I use equal parts of honey, olive oil, castor oil, and 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil or whatever essential oil you'll prefer for your hair. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it keeps your hair moisturized and locks it in. To make sure all the oils in the honey melt together, submerge your bottle into boiling water or very hot water and leave it there for a couple of minutes. Don't make the same mistake I made. If your bottle has a nozzle like mine, make sure you open it or else you'll deform the bottle. My hair is super dirty and I'm sorry you have to look at it. I'm ready to take care of this girl. And she's growing finally. I mean, she should be like down to here at this point. Like my afro should be this big, but God's plan, you know. And honestly, my scalp looks good right now, but I know the truth. I know the truth, and she's being fake right now. Parted my hair in 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick sections and put the oil on my scalp. Make sure to massage it into your scalp. An extra step I take to make sure that the oil is really seeping into my scalp and skin is spray my head with a little bit of lukewarm water and put a plastic bag or two over my head to insulate the heat for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours was up, these are the products that I use to maintain the moisture in my hair. Lastly, this is how I arranged my flat twist right after the shower and before taking them out from my high puff. And voila, these are the results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any recommendations. Even if you don't have 4C hair, what type of treatments do you use to prevent dry and flaky scalp? And if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.